For homes built in the 1930s, the kitchens don't usually fit into the way that we live and entertain today. Older kitchens are usually separated from the rest of the house with narrow doorways. The kitchens are usually very dark. There's no good lighting. The countertops are usually small. The trim work usually isn't the same kind of color or paint as the rest of the house, and it just doesn't function in the way that it needs to in modern times. So we were really happy to work with the homeowner here to modernize their kitchen, to open up the wall between the kitchen and the dining room, and to reuse as much of the trim and cabinetry as we possibly could and still make it more functional at the same time. We added modern appliance, dishwasher, by moving the cabinetry from here to here. We have room to add a workstation sink. We added under cabinet lighting and more functional task lighting over the stove. Puck lights in the trim work above the peninsula give good lighting, but also allows for a clear view between the kitchen and the dining room. As much of the trim work as possible was reused, and it's hard to tell the difference between old and new trim. It matched very well. And you have a much more functional, happy space to be in. And we could not have possibly pulled this project off without the help of our site supervisor, Charlie. Thanks, Charlie.